If you've been paying attention to this project at all, you will notice that really not a lot has happened on the main floor in the last little bit. The lion's share of the efforts has been taking place downstairs. Figured I'd just show you again, what our job sites look like on a day-to-day basis. We've got the site desk here with plans and everything else going on. So trying very hard to keep things organized and know what we're dealing with today and what we need to worry about tomorrow. So let's jump downstairs and look and see what we have been getting up to for the last week or two. A little bit of safety sign, custom Sprucehill safety sign. Just making sure that people know what's going on. So when you come in here, you try to walk where things are safe. There's usually a piece of plywood right there covering over that hole. The reason why we have all of these holes in the floor down here is we're transferring some significant loads from the upper floor to the lower floor, and we have to make space for the footings to go. So there'll be a new footing here, there'll be a major point load coming down here, and then if we keep going over here, same sort of thing. We've got another big footing here, which is one of the images I showed you before. We've got several more going back here, another new point load there, and you'll notice that there's radiant pipes running through the floors here. Those will get tested and repaired as needed before we pour any concrete, of course, to make sure that they're good to go. But we've got some big piles of gravel, another massive footing going in here. Let's just have a look here. So you'll see that there is insulation underneath the concrete there. If you're not already aware, that insulation has to be there, and that's a code requirement. We need to have that insulation there to create a thermal break between the hot water pipes and the ground below. And that makes a huge difference in energy efficiency so that you're not wasting water heating the floor below. There's some things that have been tried and true for many, many years. Obviously, making sure that we're not wasting energy and having it just spill out into the floor below where we don't want it is one of the things that we avoid as much as humanly possible. You can see we're making great progress getting ready to go in the basement here. We're just finalizing details for steel, and we'll be seeing steel go in, I'm hoping by the end of June. It's very, very complicated, very, very involved, and you only get one chance to get steel right. All right, we are now upstairs and we can see what's going on up here. So most of the time on upper floors, the bedroom walls are usually non-structural. They're just there as dividing walls because typically your trusses go from exterior wall to exterior wall. A truss roof is a roof frame similar to this one, where you've got the webbing in between the top and the bottom, otherwise known as the top cord and the bottom cord. Right now we've got Amar running some plates and getting ready to frame some walls for the new bedrooms. So we're completely changing the layout of this upper floor to what this client in particular would like. Over here, we make our way down to the primary bedroom. The layout of the primary bedroom is more or less staying the same. We are adjusting the closets, and that's about it. Over here, we've got one bedroom with an ensuite. There'll be an area for a desk, which will be very nice. Got another bedroom here with an ensuite and an area for a desk. So this floor is going to be amazing. And as I've suggested and said in previous videos, where the camera is right now is sitting or floating in space, because we did frame this temporary floor area over the foyer from a safety and production perspective so that we can get the job done quicker and keep everybody that's working on the site safer. If you're thinking about building or renovating, please consider calling Sprucehill. You will not be disappointed in the level of care that everybody on this team has. We will work tirelessly to make sure that you get the quality of finished product that you're looking for, delivered on time and as close to budget as humanly possible. We genuinely care about you and everybody that we work with. So we hope you consider Sprucehill. Give us a shout, check us out, listen to what we have to say. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.